It all starts with an idea. We sit down with you and talk about your dream piece of jewelry. From there, we use sophisticated computer modeling software to create a virtual representation of your idea. We can visualize every aspect of the design and easily make any needed adjustments. Once the design is just right, we use state-of-the-art 3D printing and milling technology to build a wax model from the virtual design. The wax model is then treated to remove any imperfections and prepared for investment. It is connected to a tree with other models, which is placed in a cylindrical flask. That flask is then filled with investment and placed in an oven. All the wax melts out, leaving an empty space where the wax models were. Now, the wax is placed in a centrifuge with molten hot gold and spun at high speed. This forces the gold to flow into the space left by the wax, giving you a metal casting of the wax model. The ring is cut off from the tree and placed in a tumbler, which uses small bits of metal called shot to smooth out the rough casting. Now the ring is ready for the jewelers to work their magic. This design calls for textured accents, so the jeweler sharpens a special tool called a graver. Each vein in the leaves is carefully carved into the metal by hand. Years of practice and training go into learning this one technique, and there are no shortcuts. After the texture has been completed, it's time to install the center stone. The jeweler has already set the customer's opal in a bezel, which he now laser welds into place in the ring. Our laser welder allows us to do work like this, which would be much more time-consuming and expensive using only a traditional torch. Now it's time for polishing. The jeweler uses several different buffing wheels and abrasive compounds to bring out the full brilliance of the metal and smooth out any remaining rough spots. The ring is placed in an ultrasonic cleaner to remove any residual polishing compound and dust. After a quick steam, the ring is finished and ready to wear. By combining technology with traditional jewelry manufacturing methods, we can produce pieces of wearable art, oftentimes for less than mass-produced designer jewelry. So what are you waiting for? Get in touch with us today for a free consultation.